Excel doesn't have any functionality to do for loops, but what it does have is this functionality to drag cells and to repeat calculations by dragging cells. So I just want to show what I mean by dragging. So I have a number 1 in cell A1, and then I put a number 2 in cell A2. I can generate a sequential list of numbers in a spacing of 1. If I highlight the two cells, I bring my cursor to the bottom right hand corner, I hold down my left mouse button, I drag it all the way down. So as I drag, I generate a big list. So this saves me from typing 1, 2, 3, 4, so on manually. So this is a way for us to almost mimic a for loop by dragging cells, and a lot of Excel's functionality comes from this feature of dragging cells. So let's say I've got one column of numbers that's numbered from 1 to 40. Let's say I generate another column of cells of values, say from 50, and I want to space it 0.5. What I can do is I can say 50.5. If I highlight these two cells, then Excel will try and figure out what is the pattern between that cell and that cell, so that when I drag down, I get another list. So in this case, I'm spacing everything out by 0.5. 50, 50.5, 51, 51.5, and so on.